As the leaves change to autumn hues for fall, it's a reminder for us to add those beautiful colors to our style. Here with her fall beauty tips is lifestyle expert Stephanie Rance. Hi, Stephanie.
Hey, Cindy. Yeah, updating our personal style to match the fall season is really fun, festive, and easy. With just a few new staples in your closet, you'll be all set. Make sure to find a cozy sweater dress, a belted jacket, either short or long, and of course, you'll need a scarf. So look for one in animal print, a plum purple, or even pistachio.
Okay, what other trends should we look for?
Now let's move from our closet to our vanity. Another simple way to update your look for fall is with a fresh hair color. You will definitely fall in love with Schwarzkopf Keratin color because of their intense caring colors in cappuccino, intense cocoa, espresso, caramel blonde, and ruby noir. Aren't they beautiful?
Those look lovely, especially for these fall months. Now, what makes this hair color different than others?
Well, you get a lot of benefits when you color your hair with Keratin color. It contains K-bond Plex technology, which keeps your hair strong with up to 80% less hair breakage versus untreated hair by repairing the inner hair structure and coating the hair's surface after the coloration process. Now, this is really important if you dye your hair regularly. Plus, it has 100% gray coverage, and you'll be able to keep it healthy looking and strong with the pre-color serum.
Is this permanent color?
It sure is. It will look even all season long. And my last tip to update your style for fall is with nail polish. Neutral shades of milk chocolate or the gray family are still on trend, but for a bit of shine, go with a metallic like bronze. This will make your hands glow and look pretty as you carry your warm fall drinks.
Sounds pretty. Thanks for keeping us stylish with these fall beauty tips, Stephanie.
My pleasure.
In daytime, we'll be right back.